Hello there guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're in my hometown of Olhão. It's Tuesday the 12th of November. It's like midday and it's about 22-23 degrees. Absolutely perfect day. So I thought I'd do a little walking talking tour of Olhão. So come and join me guys. So I'm going to start off from the new marina end. You've got the Royal Marina Hotel there in the background. Now just I've checked the entertainment complex there of the new marina. It's quite empty at the moment, so it's pretty pointless going around there. So I'll take you a walk along the marina. We've still got some of the boat tours operating, even this time of year. Doing lovely sunset cruises, dolphin watching, and trips to the islands. Even the ice cream bar's open. Here we've had some cracking weather in November. If you fancy getting away from them winter blues back in the UK, check out Skyscanner for some great cheap flights this time of year. You can come, well, from Manchester anyway, I don't know where you'll be flying from in the UK, 40 quid return, which is excellent. And if you check out booking.com, all the big hotels in the area are doing really good deals. It'll be pretty quiet until we hit the markets, because Olhão is a working town, so it's busy all year round. It's actually a nice time to come because it's not too busy, but there's plenty of bars and restaurants open. At the marina end there's a couple that have closed, but most of the restaurants near to the market, they're open all year round. I'll just show you some of the restaurants, ones that I can recommend. And that's made me out to be right like that. The first restaurant to come to, O Franguinha, which is a really nice restaurant. It's closed. And in the little back street here, you've got a lovely little fish restaurant. And then directly opposite, you've got Lender's Tapas Bar. That's actually open. Yeah, the nearer we get to the markets, the more places will be open. So we've got the vegetarian place that's open. I've not actually eaten in there. Carrel of tofu and mushrooms, €7. It's quite reasonable. The Mexican's closed. But most of the restaurants in Olhão do a dish of the day. There's Brazilian all you can eat there. Nice fish restaurant. We've got Old Botti restaurant here. Very nice restaurant. Specialised in fish and cataplana. Really reasonable prices. Chinese restaurant. I think they do a dish of the day. Lunch, sorry, €7 for a set meal. Can't beat that. Got Castaria, a really nice steak restaurant that. I'm going to pop across to the market. You okay? Pop through here. Fish market. I think they're getting ready to wrap up. Still got the smell though. I'm a little bit too late, guys. Pop back out onto the front and I'll pop in the fruit and veg market next door. So yeah, still pretty vibrant along the front there. Plenty of people having beers and snacks. All in shorts and t-shirts. Zona cocktail lounge. Got an ice cream parlour there. Fishermen must have come in with a boat full of fish because all the seagulls are hovering about. Got the little square there in between the fish and the fruit and veg market. It's pretty quiet actually, I thought it'd be a lot busier. Let's see if there's any action in the fruit and veg market. That's pretty quiet as well, but everything's still open. I do know you need some piripiri. Let me see if she's here. Muito picante. Very, very hot, these ones. Piripiri, sì. Obrigado. Okay. €5, €6, €7. Sorry guys, we're trying to do this with one hand. But all the it's all locally made. This she does honey, piripiri, olive oil. Like I say, they're all locally produced from little towns around Olhão. So in the fruit and fish, in the fruit and veg market, it has a butcher's. There's a cheese shop. Well, there's several butchers actually. There's a cheese shop. A couple of cheese shops. There's two more butchers this end. Presunto. Yeah, so all the locals shop at the market, tend not to shop at the large supermarkets. You okay? You alright, mate? No, it's okay, nice to meet you, it's okay. How long are you here for?
Just till Thursday. We've been in the Algarve for 18 nights with Faro, over
Right.
there,
Yeah.
and then back here.
Right.
But we still like this the best.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Beautiful weather as well.
very relaxed,
Yeah.
lovely, and the weather's been fantastic.
Yeah, as I know, yeah.
Yeah,
You came the right time because October's normally nice and we had a horrendous October.
yeah.
Rained every day. You're not getting in on it, no?
I'm not as pretty as he is.
Oh, you're not bad looking. We can put some filters on, so don't worry about it.
That's what he does.
All right, enjoy, yeah?
Yeah, cheers.
See you later, yeah? A week Sunday it'll be on, mate. A week on Sunday it'll be on.
Right, okay,
All right.
perfect.
Yeah, cheers. See you later. Yeah, one of our subscribers, we have actually bumped into him here before. Actually, I had a beer with him. It was in March, I think. And not all the bars are open. But my favourite bar there, La Panorama, that's open. Well, it's nice when you bump into your subscribers. So guys, if you do pop over to Olhão, the boats, commercial boats are still running 4 times a day to the islands. So if you fancy a trip over to either to Armona, Culatra or Farol, you can still get there on the commercial boats, or if you push for time and you can't, you know, you've got to go outside the times of the boats, you can get a private water taxi. It's €35 to Armona for up to 5 people. I'll just show you the rest of the restaurants along the front. Now I am going to split into 2 videos, guys. I'm just going to show you the front and all the restaurants, and then make a separate one for all the back streets. I'll try and keep it to about 10 minutes long. A couple of gypsy stalls there. So from this end, guys, starts off with 2 Chinese restaurants. They're both all you can eat. One is buffet style, that's sushi, but the chalet, it's all you can eat, but you order, have like a pad and you write down whatever number you want and they bring it out fresh. It's quite good. Got restaurant Ria Famosa. That was the first restaurant we ever came in, or we ever went to in Olhão when we first came over. I've not been in that one. It's not even open. Pitu de Baijamar. Teriti Ma is a very nice fish restaurant. And this place here, Padaria Delicious de Olhão. It's not quite a restaurant, it's more like a bakery. It does sell food, and really good value for money. You get like a dish of the day for about €7. If you do love your cakes, that's the place to go, guys. Do some amazing cakes. And that is chocker from 8 o'clock in the morning, that place, all waiting for the fresh bread. Seti Meia tapas bar, it's very nice in there. The Real Portuguese, another lovely fish restaurant. And then this is quite recently opened, it's a tapas bar, Montidados. I've never been in there yet, but I will sample it over the winter. And then we've got the best Italian in Olhão, Pizza na Pedra. Got absolutely stunning views from the top there, but the food in there is absolutely amazing. We've got Docca's Pizza, another Italian restaurant. It's nice, but not quite as good as Pizza na Pedra. Got the barbers. There's loads of barbers over here. Catita, that's a cocktail lounge, only open in the evening. N24 Tapas Bar, that's closed today. And we've got an Indian hut. They do lunch specials. Check this out, guys. Mixed vegetable curry £6.50, chicken curry £7, lamb rogan josh €8. Really good value for money, and the curry's really decent in there. We've actually, I think it was last Christmas Day, we went and had a meal in there. Christmas lunch in there, it was lovely. It's getting a little bit busier now. Got another pasteleria there. All the bread over here is freshly made. If you don't eat it the next day, it goes off. Right guys, I'm going to end this tour right overlooking the markets. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.